Hey guys, what's up? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 eyeshadow palettes that you need in your collection for the spring and summer. So I know that it's supposed to be spring right now, but some of us are getting snow. So with that being said, some of these palettes you can transition into your spring and summer eyeshadow routine. So I just wanted to share those with you. I'm going to be doing a few swatches of some of the colors and then just giving my recommendations. So if you want to see what 5 palettes those are, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and turn on your post notification bell so you know every time I upload. So without further ado, let's see what palettes I recommend for spring and summer. Alright, so the first palette I'm going to talk about is the Colourpop Cute AF palette. This one is perfect for summer and spring. Sorry it's a bit messy. When you use this palette, it does get a bit messy, but these colors right here just scream summer and spring. This yellow, these golds and oranges. This is also a transitional palette because you can use this for fall as well with those browns and oranges. So I'm going to just swatch the yellow here, but you do have to build it up to get the pigment that you want. That is the yellow. I'm going to do this red color here. That's the red. Like I said, this palette, you do have to build it up to get it the way you want it. And then last but not least, this orange. You want to take your time when packing these on. But they are awesome for transitioning into the summer and to the spring. So that is those 3. Alright, so the next palette that I'm going to talk about is the Morphe and the Jaclyn Hill collaboration palette. I don't use this palette too often because this is another palette that can get super messy when you're doing your eyeshadow looks and your whole makeup, but the colors in here do scream summer and spring as well as winter and fall. So this is certainly a transitional eyeshadow palette. Like I said, you can use these darker shades throughout the fall and winter. And then coming over here to these bright colors, and some of the pastel colors at the top can be used for spring and summer. One of them that drew my eye the most is this teal color here. Super pigmented, if you guys see that. Another one is this purple shade. These colors are so soft and so buttery and very pigmented. And the good thing about this palette is that it is now in your local Ultas. You can purchase it online at Ulta. You don't have to purchase it just off of Morphe. And I'm going to swatch one more color, a pastel type of color that can be used for the spring as well. So you guys see that. Those colors are nice and creamy and also pigmented. So that is a good thing about this palette. My third recommendation for the spring and summer is, let's see, the Too Faced Peach Palette. Super, super springy to me. These colors are really light pastel type of colors. I'm covering up the mirror so I won't blind you guys, but this is screaming spring all the way with these pastels. Anything that's like giving off that bright type of look, not too much. These will definitely give you that type of look. They smell just like peaches, as we all know. And I'm going to swatch this color called Caramelized. It's a peach color with like some shimmer in it. And I hope you guys can see it. Oh, it's a bit of fallout, but that is Caramelized. Another color in here that you can use for the spring is Just Peachy. That's more of a pinky color with like some champagne gold undertone. And then one of my favorites in this palette is Luscious, which is that gold color there. So these colors are really, really pretty to use for spring and summer. So if you don't have this palette, definitely try to get your hands on it. But there are some alternatives like the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette that I just showed you that have some colors as well if you're looking for a more affordable alternative. Alright, 2 more palettes to show. The next one is the Anastasia Prism palette, and you're probably looking at me like, girl, how's that spring? How is that summer? But the colors in here can be worn for spring and summer. This peach color Eden Look at that. Really, really pretty matte peachy shade. This color Spear is a neon color that can be certainly used for the summer. I'm going to build it up a bit so you guys can see it. Can be used for the summer. And also, if you're looking for like that everyday going to work in the summer but you don't want to do too much, Lure is like a pretty matte mauve color. You guys see that there. So this palette, if you didn't think about it, now you know, can be used for the spring and summer. And it also has some dark colors in here that you can get away with using throughout the fall and winter as well. So all of these palettes are actually transitional eyeshadow palettes that can be used all year round. But if you didn't know how you can incorporate these palettes throughout the spring and summer, these are some colors that I'm just recommending to you that you can use throughout the spring and summer. And last but not least, one of my recent favorites that I added to my collection, this is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. This one has a ordeal of sparkling and neutrals and everyday colors, but these bright colors right here can be worn throughout summer and spring, especially if you're doing some night looks. Look at that gold. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That was Chocolate Gold. The next one is Rich Girl. Look at that. New Money. I did a video on this palette, so I'll link that video down below if you want to see how I incorporated New Money into my look. Another one is Drippin' Diamonds. Let me wipe my hands off so I can get the real. Whoo! Drippin' Diamonds and Holla for $1. I'll do one of the darker shades as well. Beautiful colors. All of these, if you're going out, I know a lot of us will be hanging out a lot in the summer because eating outside is nice, having drinks outside if you drink. Activities that are outside during spring and summer are so much fun. So of course you want to incorporate these colors into your eyeshadow and makeup looks. You can also get away with this Chocolate Gold palette for a festival. There are multiple festivals that go on throughout many countries and states and cities and outside events. These colors will be perfect, especially this, like, what is this color again? Drippin' Diamonds. Yes, Drippin' Diamonds is beautiful to wear as a festive color. So you guys let me know if you want me to do a makeup look regarding a festival look. But that is the gold, Chocolate Gold palette by Too Faced. Certainly a transitional eyeshadow palette that you can use throughout the summer and spring as well. So get your hands on that one. And yeah, so that is all of the eyeshadow palettes I think that are awesome for transitional eyeshadow palettes into spring and summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you own any of these eyeshadow palettes, what eyeshadow palettes you're interested in purchasing, and if you want me to do a makeup look on some of the palettes, let me know down below as well. I will list all of these palettes in the description bar as well as links of where you can purchase them. And yeah, so that's everything I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell so you won't miss my next upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.